Before the skyline rose, before the city that never sleeps became a global icon, she stood here. In the quiet waters of New York Harbor, a symbol of hope began welcoming the world. This is the Statue of Liberty. Rising above Liberty Island, she has watched over New York City for more than a century, a silent guardian of freedom. A gift from France in 1886, this monument was more than a masterpiece of engineering. It was a promise of liberty, a promise of opportunity, a promise of new beginnings. For millions of immigrants arriving by sea, this was their first glimpse of America. After weeks of uncertainty across the Atlantic, they saw her torch lighting the horizon. And they believed. Standing 305 feet tall, Liberty holds her torch high into the sky, a symbol of enlightenment guiding the way forward. In her left hand rests a tablet, inscribed with July 4th, 1776, the birth of American independence. At her feet lie broken chains, a reminder that freedom is never accidental, it is earned, protected, defended. Day after day, ferries circle the island. Tourists gaze upward in silence. Cameras capture her image from every angle, yet her meaning goes far beyond photographs. She represents hope. Behind her, the skyline of New York rises in steel and glass, a city built by dreamers, risk-takers, and those who dared to believe in something greater. From sunrise over Manhattan to the glowing lights of night, the spirit of liberty still fuels ambition. For over a century, she has witnessed history unfold, moments of struggle, moments of triumph, and still she stands, a torch in the darkness, a symbol of possibility. This is New York. This is America. This is Atlas Pictures.